Hey, why don't you just come on over here?
Though, it really is a good spot. Oh.
Dadgummit, George. I was calling the ladies.
Home. Drop that, please.
George, you're standing in the feet again. And you're dropping your food everywhere. Dadgummit, George. I am a very big, confident, strong rooster. It's time to let the crowd have what they came here for. All right, here I go.
I don't want to crow. Nope, can't make me.
Hey, George, let's go to the club.
Oh, what's the club?
You know, the coop. Dadgummit, George, they're all bigger than me. Quick, George, we're on camera.
Oh boy!
George, the owl will be coming tonight. Be sure to sharpen your spurs and get ready for defense.
Oh boy! That owl's a real hoot.
Dadgummit, George,